Welcome to another quality tutorial from SmartFoxServer in association with Pivots Labs. If you haven't already, go to the Godot Asset Store and download the SmartFox examples. The links are shown below in the description. Both the Tic-Tac-Toe and multiplayer shooter examples use server extensions. Therefore, in this video, we will cover how to add, edit, and create Java extensions utilized by the SmartFoxServer engine. Server-side extensions are available in two versions, Java and JavaScript, and depending on the game design, some game clients require a Java extension to be deployed. To do this for the Tic-Tac-Toe example, copy the Tic-Tac-Toe folder from Tic-Tac-Toe extension, deploy folder to your current SFS2X installation under SF2X extensions. You can verify that this has been done correctly with the admin tool, like this. The Tic-Tac-Toe example utilizes a server-side extension to implement the main game logic. The extension determines if the game should start or stop, validates the player moves, updates the spectators if they join a game already in progress, checks if the victory condition is met, as well as a few other game tasks. Using a server-side extension will keep the game state on the server side, and this provides better security from hacking or cheating attempts. In other words, an authoritative server is a more flexible and secure option as opposed to keeping all the game logic on the client side only. Our Tic-Tac-Toe example makes use of a room extension, which is attached to the game room by the client, as shown here. The Java extension can be viewed or edited using one of the many available IDEs, such as Eclipse or NetBeans. Check the online documentation on how to create your first extension in Java or JavaScript. When the room is created, the extension is instantiated, and the default init method is called immediately. This is where we initialize some properties and data structures used by the game logic and set up all the listeners required by our game. The Java extension updates the game state and sends game-related events back to the Godot client, which in turn updates the game scene accordingly. The extension development procedure is the same if you are developing your game, not only with Godot, but also with Unity, HTML5, Java, or any of the other supported client languages. However, a server extension developed for one client type may not be the same as for another. We will see this in the Shooter example project, where the Godot and Unity server extension differ due to the animation difference in the Godot and Unity client code. But for now, let's look at the next tutorial, where we will see how the server extension communicates with the client in a turn-based game. Check out our online documentation at smartfoxserver.com. Here you will find resources and other tutorials, not only for Godot, but other supported client platforms. You will also find a detailed written tutorial for this video, as well as extensive documentation for the following tutorials in this series for Godot using SmartFoxServer.